Hello world. In this video, we'll talk about these intelligent and mysterious birds that are often seen as symbols of bad luck. But forget about that for now, because we're going to see why this birds can be the coolest animal ever. First, you can impress goth chicks.
I will teach you how to lay a big titty goth chick.
I don't know why this is in the script. Forget about this. To start, let's talk about the intelligence of these animals. Crows are known to be extremely intelligent and capable of solving complex problems.
What's 9 plus 10?
21.
In fact, they're so smart that many scientists claim they have the intelligence of a 4-year-old child. In addition to their intelligence, crows are also famous for their voices. They have a variety of sounds they use to communicate. But it's not all fun and games when it comes to crows. They're also very important birds for the ecosystem, as they help control the population of other animal species that can become excessively abundant. They're also important to humans, as many cultures around the world consider them symbols of wisdom and protection. Ravens and crows are playful animals and engage in a variety of behaviors that seem to have no practical purpose. They have been observed performing acrobatic flights, sliding down snow-covered roofs, and playing with objects such as sticks and toys. Ravens are known for their exceptional intelligence and problem-solving abilities, which they use to manipulate their environment and other animals in order to obtain food. One interesting example of this is the behavior known as wolf baiting, in which ravens will use their wits to attract wolves to a kill site, then wait for the wolves to do the hard work of opening up the carcass before swooping in to take their share of the spoils. Researchers have observed this behavior in several different parts of the world, including Yellowstone National Park in the United States and the Arctic tundra in Canada. In both cases, ravens were seen following wolves and making a variety of vocalizations, including mimicking the calls of other birds, in order to get the wolves' attention. Once the wolves had killed an animal and begun to feed, the ravens would swoop in and start scavenging for themselves. What's interesting about this behavior is that it suggests that ravens are not just passive scavengers, but active players in their ecosystem. By manipulating other animals, such as wolves, into doing the hard work of opening up a carcass, ravens are able to save energy and reduce their own risk of injury. This strategy allows them to thrive in some of the harshest and most competitive environments on Earth, from the freezing tundra to the hot and dry desert. Overall, the wolf-baiting behavior of ravens is just one example of the remarkable intelligence and adaptability of these birds.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay?
They are capable of using their wits to solve complex problems and interact with other animals in sophisticated ways, which makes them a fascinating subject of study for scientists and bird enthusiasts alike. You know that ravens and crows have black feathers because they are really into metal? Ravens and crows are black because of the way their feathers are structured and pigmented. Their feathers contain a pigment called melanin, which is a dark brown or black pigment that gives the feathers their color. Melanin is also found in the skin and hair of many animals, including humans. The reason why ravens and other members of the corvid family, such as magpies, are predominantly black is thought to be related to the fact that black feathers are more durable and resistant to wear and tear than other colors. This is because the melanin pigment gives the feathers a denser structure and makes them more resistant to damage from sunlight, water, and other environmental factors. In addition to providing protection against the elements, black feathers may also help ravens blend in with their environment and avoid detection by predators or prey. This is especially true in areas with dense vegetation, where black feathers can make it harder for predators or prey to spot the bird against the dark background. It's also worth noting that while most ravens have black feathers, some subspecies or individuals may have feathers with iridescent hues of blue or purple, which are caused by the way light reflects off the feathers. These iridescent colors can be seen in certain lighting conditions and are thought to play a role in mate attraction and social communication among ravens. The fact that I like the most about ravens is they are members of the corvid family, which also includes crows, magpies, and jays. That's for today, my friends. See you in the next video about animals, I guess. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you.